So if I zoom this close, you'll be able to see we had populated this or copied this, but we had some extension here. So we have to trim off this and also trim off this and bring or create a stopper for the crane girder. So what do? We have first of all to bring the stopper here. So instead of creating it from scratch, we'll just come here and select this and press Control and come on the opposite direction and select that. Now, once we've selected that, we'll zoom out once again and check the center, the midpoint of the full length of this particular building. Then I'll right click, then come to special move or a special copy and pick on mirror. So once I've picked on mirror, I want to mirror it from that spot to that spot. This will be my mirror line. So once I zoom out and now bring this closer, then initiate the copy command, we'll be able to see that we have the mirror, that stopper in that section. So we'll use that stopper to trim off this one. So I'll come here and click OK because the position is okay with us. Then I'll come to navigate and I want to rotate with mouse and press my left button on the mouse and I'll be able to turn that. So you'll be able to see we have the stopper fixed on that spot. So the section on the other side has to be trimmed off. So what we can do now is just to mark the location here. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some points. I'll come here and create some points there. So I'm going to maybe snap here, or just use this member to cut it off. So I'm going to pick cut by part. I'm going to cut by part. I'm going to pick this member, then pick the part to be cut. This one is the part to be cut, and the cutting part, it has been cut already. So let me just begin start afresh, then cut part. Then if you take a look on the screen here, object to be cut is this. Then the cutting part is this. So that has been cut off. So what I'm going to do again is this, but that option will not work best for us because if I mouse over this side, you'll be able this will be detected as this part. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo that type of cutting. Then I want to find a way of cutting this using a different method. So that will be coming close and coming to any point there, and I want to mouse over in any position here. Let me just mouse over. The moment I snap on any part here, it will be very good, and I'll be able to, let me just snap there and just mouse over here and probably snap here. Let me just press Control, and I need a point where I can snap on, or I can just come here, come there, maybe just get a point here. So that's a point, and I'm going to get a point here. Let me just mouse over there, and I'm going to get a point there. So I have created that point. I have these 2 points. Now I can come with line cut and select on this. Then I want to define this line here that will be my cutting line. Then I'll be able to pick on this part that to be cut. Then that has been cut off. So that member is non-existent. So if I use the part cut, that part will be still in existence. So if I select this, it will be highlighted on the other side. Is only the part that this part is passing through has been cut off. So we'll apply the same process or the same method on the other side. So I can even select on this, then right click and come to special copy, then I pick on mirror. So I can mirror this on the other side, and that cutting effect will take effect immediately. So let me just define my mirror line on this section from that spot to this spot. And if I click copy, let's see if we zoom out on the other side and see if that has been taken to account. So let me just turn that, and it has been trimmed off. That's okay. So we have that in place. So if I right click and come to redraw, I'll have everything perfectly taken care of. And that part of this topic of crane rail clamping to runway beam, I think we've dealt with it. accordingly, and we'll move to a different topic. And I think that will be tackled on the next presentation or the next topic. So this has been created. So we have all these in places in the right place. So you can see we have that, and if we turn it around like that, you can see it's kind of properly detailed, and there's some parts that we need to just get rid of, and like that one, and the others will do it when we get to the final stages of creating the drawings and general arrangement drawings. So let's meet then on the different topic, and bye bye, and let's meet then.